In front of me is Motorola Edge 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use Keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and tapping on Clipboard at the top of it. Then use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and go back thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Now, to continue, just copy or cut any text, and to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on your text here. To pin it, you need to hold it and select Pin icon. In case you won't pin it, it will be deleted automatically after an hour. To unpin anything, use the same icon, this time labeled Unpin. Now, to delete anything from Clipboard, swipe it to the right, swipe it to the left, or hold it and tap on Delete. By holding it, you can also tap on Edit and change whatever you want to. Then hit Save to save your edited clip. If you want to manage multiple things from Clipboard, use this pen at the top right corner, click on them, and choose Bin or Pin. Last but not least, to disable Clipboard fully, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!